Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And in this video, I'll be giving you an update regarding cryptos. And let's get started with the mother coin, obviously, which is the Bitcoin, right? So you can see Bitcoin has been following this beautiful pattern, which is expansion channel pattern, which I'll suggest, which I'll say. And there's a smaller triangle pattern, right? So I felt that basically Bitcoin could have broken yesterday itself, but it didn't. And I'm waiting for a strong close near this level. If it closes anyway like this, we've got 12 more hours to go. Remember that this is a 1 day time frame, so I'm obviously talking about big gains and swing trading. So if it closes strong, or if it at least closes above this trend line, I would definitely go with some amount of money in here and accordingly divide my quantity and further on be bullish in the Bitcoin, right? So make sure that you definitely do look at somewhere around 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the tomorrow, 1st of December, and you will be able to understand where crypto is headed, and the other coins will be following Bitcoin. So this is one of the trade which I'll be looking into for Bitcoin, and the next trades are basically I'm already into them, which is basically the first coin is Litecoin, as you guys can see. Litecoin was following a pretty good decent pattern over here, and also there was a support line in this and a major breakout from this level, right? So what I decided was I went long in Litecoin right near this place, and my risk was somewhere around 9%. I'm already into good profit up till now, and my target is up till around 40%. Obviously, it is swings, as in I'm using a daily time frame. One more thing to remind you guys, that please do not use your INR pairs, because if you're using INR pairs, we are never sure that what might happen tomorrow regarding the government bringing up completely different policies, and the news will affect a lot. So trade them in the USDT pairs and make sure that you do not get any losses because of the news, right? Now coming back to the next coin, which is basically Solana. Solana also, again, if you see, this was a good pattern in the 1 day time frame, and I took it near the support level somewhere. Again, my risk was very small, 2%. My first target was up till this resistance, which is somewhere around 5% is what I believe. But after this is breaken out, I will take my targets up to the all-time highs, which is around 29 to 30%. I feel that it could break out because this is taking a good support near the overall bigger trend line support, and definitely you can trail your stop losses and continue the trade. Coming to the next coin, which is Dash. Dash, again, it is forming a really beautiful pattern, a triangle pattern, as you can see. There's a support line which it is respecting really well. There was a good pin bar candle, and that was the time when I entered, and right now I'm into good profits again in here. My stop loss is somewhere around 7 percentage from the place where I took it, and 24 percentage as my targets. You guys can still take these trades because your stop losses would be really small, but not obviously compared to mine. But yeah, it is still worth it because the targets are huge. If you guys are feeling that 10 percentage is something really huge, cryptos, we obviously need at least some space, and that will be the minimum for you to put in, right? So make sure you're reducing your quantity, and you do not get emotional when you're losing, but you definitely win when you're winning. You are gaining big, right? So coming on to the next coin, which is basically Link, Chainlink, which I'd say. So this is also finally taking a good beautiful support near these places, and after taking the good support near this place, I entered somewhere at this candle. Again, my risk is somewhere around 7 to 8 percentage, and my target is somewhere around 42 percentage in Chainlink, right? So this is the overall pattern for Chainlink in the daily time frame. Coming to the next coin, which is Uni. Uni, again, you can see a good channel pattern following the support line very well. So most of these trades are basically support and resistance trades which I'm taking, not the breakout ones, right? So my first target would be 24 percentage up till this resistance line in Uni, and my stop loss is somewhere around 10 percentage. Again, that is somewhere around 1 is to 2.5. So that is all about Uni's trade and the crypto space. Now the final coin, which is Phantom. Phantom, you guys can definitely look at. Not so comfortable, but yeah, worth the risk is what I feel. Around 16 percentage gains and 8 percentage loss, 1 is to 2. So let's see what happens. I feel that it could again break this out. Again, I'll have to adjust my quantity according to it. I'll not go all in. When we have such small pieces to deal with, we take small quantities, and after a breakout, we add more. So this is all about the crypto space, guys. I hope you understood all the charts, and make sure that you are managing your trades really well. and I hope this helps out. If you did like this video, make sure that you're hitting the subscribe button. I'll be coming up with more videos on cryptos and other trading scripts. Until next time, guys, take care, stay safe, and make sure you trade well. Bye bye.